You're gonna love the 2024 Nissan Pathfinder. Here's a solid, smooth-riding Nissan Pathfinder, the family-oriented 3-row crossover with impressive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive. Flexible seating and standard driver assist safety features give you the convenience and confidence to enjoy every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated driver's seat, moonroof. You deserve the strength and security this Pathfinder has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.